Hey there, it's Katie. I hope you guys are doing well today. So we are going to be going over different breathing techniques. I want to focus on just one, and then I'm going to give you another one towards the end that can really help you relax, especially if anxiety is the pain that you are dealing with on a regular basis. It's one that resonates deeply with me. I suffered from anxiety for years, no longer. So what I want you to do, I'm going to try to roll back so you can actually see me a little bit better here. I want you to actually, if you can, put the bottoms of your feet together. And then you're going to have one hand on your belly and one hand on your chest. And I love this breathing technique. What it's going to do is it's going to help to stimulate the vagus nerve. And when we stimulate the vagus nerve, we shift between our sympathetic nervous system, which is our fight or flight, and we go into our parasympathetic nervous system, which is our rest and digest. So by doing this breathing, you'll actually trigger the rest and digest and help calm the body down. So before we start to do this, just sit here with one hand on your belly and your chest. And I want you to just scan your body from head to toe. Look down at it and just notice everything that you're feeling, anything that comes to mind. Are there any prickly points or crunchy points? What are you noticing in your body as you're sitting here with your hand on your belly and your hand on your chest? And just take stock of what you're feeling today. All right. And I want you to do that because we're going to take stock of how you feel at the other end of this. So what I want you to do with the hand on the belly, you want to have first this hand on the belly go with a big inhale. So it's going to be, and then you're going to continue so that the inhale continues to make this hand move too. Hold it and then let it go from the belly, let it go from the chest. And we're going to repeat this for a couple minutes. I'm not going to keep doing this on the video. I'd like you to pause it or continue doing this after this. It's going to be a very boring video if I'm just sitting here breathing for 5 minutes. But if you can do this for 5 minutes, this is really going to help your state. So again, it's going to be getting the hand on the belly to move and then the hand on the chest. So that looks like let that exhale go all the way out. Nice big inhale again. Let those lungs fill. Inhale again through the nose if possible. Do one more together. Now, you may have felt a difference in your body as well. And I want you to pause right now and check in. I personally, just doing those 5 big breaths, I feel a lot more relaxed than I did. And I didn't even realize I was actually tense until I stopped or started to feel that relaxation in there. So that is what I would like you to try for breath work, and set a timer. Do it for like 30 seconds, 60 seconds, 90 seconds, and see what happens in your state. So if you're checking in with yourself now, just notice, did anything change during that quick breath work session? Another technique, since I promised you one, is 4-7-8 breathing. So if you don't want to sit there with your hand on your belly and chest, another way to do that is to make the exhale longer than the inhale. That's another way to really relax. So you inhale for 4, hold for 7, exhale for 8. We call it 4-7-8 breathing. So that looks like and so on and so on. So, but when you make the exhale longer, that is going to help the body relax. So that's a really great one for anxiety. I hope this helped. I will be back again next week with another tip. And next week, we are going to be talking about the importance of feeling into it. And, oh, I can feel your resistance already. I'm with you on that. And I promise it's not going to be as bad as you think. I'll see you later.